My face is finally dry from the weight of my tears. My dreams were interrupted by the sum of my fears. So please send me some love. I will keep waiting. Stop on by. I keep praying, 'cause the weight is breaking my shoulders. I find myself calling on you, calling on you. I keep calling on you, calling on you. Yes, I have been surrounded by broken opportunities. Every failure leaves me mystified and down on my knees. So please send me some love. I will keep waiting. Stop on by. I keep praying, 'cause the weight is breaking my shoulders. Please strengthen my spine. My faith is running out on empty. Stop on by. Come and tell me what to do. I'm calling on you. Give me unshakable faith like only your love was meant to do. I'm swimming upstream. Oh, and the weight is killing me. I keep calling on you. And unmistakable love is something that I can't hold on to. Keep shining on me. 'Cause I still believe your love will set me free. Whoa, I find myself calling on you, calling on you. I keep calling on you, calling on you. I keep calling on you. I'm calling on you. Lord, I keep on calling on you. Calling on you. Yes, I keep calling on you, baby. Every day and every hour, I'm calling on you. Yes, I am. I keep calling on you. On you.
So long to play this game of hide and seek. It's not like I'm a wallflower waiting in the wings for you to free. I wear my heart on my sleeve and I haven't changed from being the girl in the back of the class, talking smack, too laid back. They said, man, when is she gonna get it all together? I lost my eyes on my pride. Yeah, it's no surprise that you can tell no lies to yourself, or else you need an alibi. Well, I found my way. Many nights, many days, I'm searching for my tracks. Now I come to get them back. Okay, yeah. I've got my feet on the ground, my head's in the clouds. I follow my heart, it's in the right place. I got my soul on my sleeve, 100% guarantee. I ain't got nothing on me but my carefree. So hard to be a soldier, but end up crashing my own roller coaster, breaking rules and following suit. Who knows if I'll find it, but I'm looking for the truth. Undisciplined and out of control, too much overstimulation for a sensitive soul. Overeducated, underlearned, a blonde with an IQ of Arizona's temperature. Lollygagging, dollywagging, take a left, it ain't never gonna happen. But to listen to the behind the curtain, blowing smoke on my ass, then the bridges started burning. I was looking in the mirror,